Your portable vacuum uses disposable bags for fast and easy bag changes. Once the bag fills up, you simply remove it, throw it away, and install a new one. Our bags are genuine OEM replacements, so they fit right every time. Replacing the dust bag is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the fabric bag from the vacuum. I'll remove the hose and twist the lock ring. Now I can pull the bag away from the vacuum. Now I can remove the bag. It just presses onto the tube. Want to remove it carefully so you don't spill dust all over. Now I can install the new bag. I'll place the cardboard flange over the tube. And slide the flange until it's tight against the base of the vacuum. And now I can finish up by reinstalling the cloth bag. I'll place the cloth bag over the paper bag. And then lock the flange into place. And that's how simple it is to install a new bag on your portable vacuum. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.